mannerisms from learning. Thank you for liking my videos. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so that you never miss another video. In this video, we'll talk about compass rose. What is it? What do we use it for? Let's find out. What is a compass rose? Let's look at the picture. This is how a compass rose looks like. A compass rose helps us find the cardinal directions on a map. What are all the cardinal directions? The cardinal directions are north, east, south, and west. For easy remembering, we read compass rose from right side just like we read the clock. The top of the compass rose will always show north. The right side of the compass rose will always show east. The bottom of the compass rose will always show south. And the left of the compass rose will always show west. If we move around the compass rose in the same direction as the clock, we will see following cardinal directions: north, east, south, and west. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, we'll make compass rose on the paper. Please watch new video on every Sunday evening. Please watch, like, and subscribe. Thank you.